This is day 39 of our daily Leetcode question series, and today's question is number of senior citizens. In this question, we are given with a vector of string of details. In each element of details provides the information about a passenger of length 15, of a string of length 15. The first string characters consist of the phone number of passengers. The next character consists of the gender of the person. The following two characters consist of the age of the person, and the last two characters determine the seat allocated to the person. Okay, so in this question we have to return the number of passengers who are strictly more than 60-year old. So we have to care about this point only. We don't need to care about the rest 3 points. So we just need to calculate how many passengers have age more than 60, and we have to return the frequency of those passengers as our answer. So as in the example, details equals to 2, output is 2, because here you can see the 75, this is greater than 60, this 92 is greater than 60, and this 40 is not. So there are two passengers who have age greater than 60, so 2 is our answer. So what we can simply do, as it will be 11th and 12th index. If we look at the age, it will be 11th and 12th index. So we will check simply if the 11th index is greater than 6, it means the age is above 70 or above or equals to 70, so it will be considered in our answer. So our count variable will be incremented, and if it is 6, then the 12th index, the details of 12 should be greater than 0, because 60 is not considered, because it has said strictly more than 60-year-old. Okay, so we'll simply apply this if statement and generate an answer. So let's declare a variable to iterate I and count to return as our count of the passengers who have age greater than 60. So let's run a loop in the vector for I equals to 0, I less than, name of it vector is details dot size, sorry, I plus plus. Now the current element is details I, so we will check details I of 11 and details I of 12 to get our answer. So if details of I of 11, which is the 12th character, if it is greater than 6, then of course definitely the age will be greater than or equals to 70. So this will be considered in our answer. So in this case the count will be incremented. And what is the rest case? In the OR statement, what we will write, if the current value of details of I of 11 is 6, then the next character should definitely be greater than 0, because 60 is not acceptable. So and details of I of 12 is greater than 0. Now in these both conditions we will increment our counter, because the age is greater than 60. And finally, after the execution of the loop, we will return our count. Okay, let's run this. Let's submit this. So the code is accepted. Thank you for watching. And the time is linear O of n complexity. You can see. Okay, I have analyzed it before.